Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're traveling yet again. When I say travel era, I mean travel era. No, I'm joking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully by now the previous video of me being in Mombasa with my family has gone up. If you haven't watched that yet, I'll leave the link here and in the description box. Kindly go watch that now. So I am ready to go. I am going to Diani with Kirote. And I'm so excited. I'm going to drop off my dog to my family and then I head out later on. So yeah, here's my outfit of the day. This is, I don't know what brand, but it's a thrifted crop top. It's written more self-love, affirmation daily. Yo, I need it. And then these pants are available on my store on pre-order and they're flared. It has like tight kind of material, but it's a bit thicker than normal tights, and it does have a lot of stretch in it. Then my suitcase and my tote bag. This tote bag is also available on my store. So yeah, let's head out. Bye. Also, this is my little note to myself. This is a little note to myself for when I come back. Yeah. So hi guys, we got to Diani Palm. We got to Diani Palm. Yeah, we just checked into our room, our meanwhile room, as we wait for our actual room. Yeah, I'll show you our actual room. Yeah, that's it.
She's with me, y'all. She's with me.
Hi guys.
Lakini 1 hour. 1 hour. We'll be back here. Looking like
God. Cutie.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that they're all lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why.
hey, babe, where's my flower?
I don't know, may I have mine?
What's your man, baby? You never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman who says good things. Fist full of diamonds, handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you all. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you.
Sasa kuna straw. Oh.
Do everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you.
Having loaded fries and mango juice. Kawira is having sticky wings and fries and
Kachumbari and passion.
kachumbari in the sounds.
I think.
Just cannot say the same. So give me all I know. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you.
Guys, it's day 2 and we're currently at the beach. We've come to catch the sunrise. Let me just show you my view. It never gets old. It never gets old. That's Mkirote. Yeah. We're practically just 4 of us in the beach. We took pictures there yesterday and insert them and it looks so nice. So yeah. that looks nice.
Unajua soul shot ina 30 minutes kwa hizo lashes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
No, I got this bag.
I got this one. I got that one.
It's giving joy candy.
Hey. And this one 200. I'll insert the guy's number in case you're ever in Diani and you need it. Just call him. We are back from the beach. We want to have breakfast.
So guys, we're back from the beach. We swam. Yeah, we just had a good time. Now we want to have breakfast. I'm still in my costume. And this cover up that's really sexy. I think I'm gonna put on this mini again. My eyes are still hurting from the salty water. But yeah, let's have breakfast. Okay. Unasema nini?
I'm vlogging. I'm saying that we are having the same thing.
Chicken biryani.
Yep.
Looks nice.
What do you think?
We are going to BoraBora Wildlife. Where are you from, Djibouti? That booty.
Baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. What if it's not reciprocated? I told her don't rush, girl, don't you rush. Guess it's all a game of pictures.
Hey, you're stretching like in this word.
She said, what if I die? Will you come in after me? Would you share your flowers with me? No. All I think is I'm wrong. Love will happen when it wants. I know it hurts sometimes, but don't let it go. 'Cause I want you, I want you, I want.
What do you have to say about yourself? For yourself?
I started off well.
And then?
I don't know what came over me.
Try again.
You believe in juju? Yeah, kwanza ina bako. Ni Eira.
Woo! You tried.
Niko na 13.
Acha ya mwisho.
Show us what you got. You're wasting your time. Hey bro.
Nilikuwa nanicheka. Tayari mimi nilikuwa na because it's against light.
Kama hata nimechukua 1 minute kwa time ukimfeed. Hizi ni kula mkono.
Hizi ni kula mkono.
Eh.
Sijui hata kufeed giraffe.
don't have a tongue, how will they eat me? They'll just kill me.
They just swallow. For the crocodile, they just swallow. They don't.
Even the small ones
Yes.
eat once a week.
Yeah, they just swallow. They don't chew.
And it's like how many kgs
For
per...
the big ones, they eat around 13 kg.
Give back.
They also lay eggs, just like the crocodile.
Oh yeah, rabbits. Cute.
Maybe kuna watu wanavikanga rabbits ka pets.
And they live up to 20 years old. Yes, and they eat while kneeling. Ukiangalia yule mwenye ako pale, most of the times ana kneel na miguu ya mbele, sababu they make it short in the leg.
Oh.
So the fish, for the male, they have 2 pairs. Naona kuna mbili. Hapo kwa macho na hapa chini. Female shamona pale mbele ako na moja peke yake.
Oh my God, actually they are pink. Naka iPhone 15.
Actually, they're cute.
Oh, that's so cute. Where are you going?
Maybe they want you.
I might this bag. I don't know. Okay, they're so grand. Unajua time ya kwenda home? Okay, they are big like me.
Hey, they're big.
Oh, even bigger.
Why are they doing that?
Napiga ile ingine tete. You don't want to feed them?
Yeah. Good boy. No. You are mad. What's wrong? No.
Wow, Washi, you're being cornered.
I want to go out. I want to go out.
Come, Mama.
Unapotea? Oh, where is? Aezi. Ona umenyongo. Nenda chini. Meisha mama. Kuja ufeel.
Nayo confidence hajafika. Inafuja sana.
Mukileta is picking flowers to match her outfit for going to the beach. She's picked flowers every day while going to the beach.
Come rewind, girl, I get the money if you make you mine, if you love me every night, you make you mad, Not only you give me love, but make me nice, nice, I feel make you mine, Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my life. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. And I love you every day. That one answer you, my money I go pay. For your love I go pay. And they make it my DJ. I see you this day every day. When you go running back on replay. For your love I go pay. For your love I go pay. Make a traffic psycho. Baby, every night I go drive me psycho. Happy, treat it on the make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. You are that looking in your eyes, Show you many things you can utilize, If I say I love you, then I tell you nice, Show you everything that one wasn't You that make you utilize, Girl, when we touch the way go revive, Give you many things we put them make you dance, Girl, make you back up to the standing mic. It's wrong, and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, it ain't where you been, and girl, it's where
hi guys, we just finished watching the sunrise and taking photos. I'll insert the photos. Now we want to go back to the hotel, to the resorts, and change and have a dip and take more photos. Because this is our work trip, right? Kirote had at work taking a flat lay.
For the gram, guys. Make sure you're following my Instagram.
So hi guys, it's later on in the day. We woke up to go see the sunrise. We had breakfast. Now we just got ready. I wore a swimsuit and this cover up. We're going to Robinson Island to see fish and deep sea dive. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. If you've gotten to this part, please go down below, click the like button. It will really help my audience grow. Yeah, bye. Hi guys, so to access the island you'll have to use a boat. You'll board a boat at the Robinson beach. It's way cheaper if you get there other than organizing it online. It's approximately 1,000 bob per person. The captain or the person who's on board will help you in viewing the fish. Here is in Kirote. She was seated opposite me. So here is the captain who used bread, put it in his mouth and swam underneath the boat, as you can see, to attract the fish as the fish eat the bread. Once you're dropped off at the island, there are different activities that you can partake in. Us guys did kayaking, as you'll see in the next clip. Yeah, here is the fish eating the bread.
It's okay when you
So once we were dropped off at the island, the different activities, this is just me being instructed on how to kayak. It was really easy and way affordable. I think we paid like 300 or 400 bob per person, and it was until to your fill. It wasn't timed or anything. So yeah, other activities were paddling and snorkeling. I think those ones are the ones that I saw. So yeah, I really had fun. Would highly recommend.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs lest I write it down for real. P.S. Know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song. Alright. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song. Alright.
We got back to the beach and then decided to ride camels along the beach. They normally charge 500, but we managed to negotiate to bargain to 350 per person.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. Yeah. Know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song. Alright. Poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when.
Yeah, like this. No, straight. I wasn't recording.
Talking to my people. Hey, kunakaa kunyesha.
What you doing, babe?
So, pay kunyesha. Hi guys, I forgot to show you where we are currently staying at. We were changed rooms and I totally forgot to show you. So let me give you a room tour. And my roommate is over there bullying everyone on the internet. So this is the door. This is the door. When you come in, this is what you see. So this is the bedroom. I think it's a double bed. And then there's some closet space over here. Some closet space over here. A telly, a small fridge. Then that's the balcony. I'll show you in a bit. Then the double bed with two side beds. This, which is like a study area, makeup area, beauty, whatever, in a room. They have this branded water bottles that I find really cute. And then this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It has a nice sink, clean towels, washroom, and bathroom. So yeah, that's it. Let me show you the balcony. This is the balcony. It has a cute area. Please ignore the person. It has a cute area where you can have dinner or breakfast or wine, and then there's the pool view. We've been spending most of our time there, but currently there's something going on, so there's no swimming for us today. And that's the room we were staying at. Meanwhile, as they were sorting out, there was a late check. So yeah, as I was saying, that's the room we were staying at. There was a late checkout, so for it getting cleaned, us getting here to the whole thingy. So yeah, today, what are we doing today? We don't know what you're doing today, but I'll keep you updated. Bye. Hi guys, we are headed out. We're going to Diani town. I have worn an orange top. This is from Shein, I think. if it's not, I'll insert the right name. It's like bralette, and then this skirt and these shoes. The skirt is available on my store on pre-order. The shoes are thrifted. This I got by the beach. Yeah, so and this one is beautiful. So we're hoping to see like what we'll get in town, and also get somewhere to eat, a local. Yeah, we have today and tomorrow here, and yeah, let's see what we can do. So yeah, also take cute pics. Yeah, I haven't been filling you in like what I have been doing on the regular. It's because like so many things have happened, but editing Kawira, I hope you see this and I hope you've done this, has probably done a voiceover or has come to explain what happened. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the vlog this far. Kindly hit that like button if you haven't liked it yet, and subscribe if you're new here. I know you like the content. Like, why are you watching me and did not subscribe? Be a good player. Oh, I look cute. I look cute. So hi guys, I didn't fill you in yesterday, but we went for lunch at Tsunami. It's like a local in the town, and then we came back. I think that's all we did, and then we had like a sundown out, like where we had wine as we watched the sun go down. So currently we're heading out again. I left my water bottle where I was yesterday. We're going to have lunch there again, as well as hopefully get my bottle back. This is my outfit of the day. Let me show you my full fit. After lunch, we're probably gonna go to Kongo River and watch the sun go down as we have more wine. Yeah, see you later. Bye. So here's the full outfit of the day. I hope you can see me. I'm wearing this jump shorts, sandals from mine, this bag that I got over here, and this sun hat I got in Gikomba, I think, and sunnies, and yeah. These are my things from swimming. So yeah, bye.
The struggle is real. I come, yeah.
Day on my mind seems to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need west now, got me one though. You so, baby, baby, baby. I remember empty mind shit. I should've came from Ocean West of me. I believe that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Said time to be no sense, this is urgent.
Hi guys, it's time to check out. We had a really lovely stay. Everything you might want to know will be in the description box. If I haven't put it there or you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer, and be sure to go to Chris' channel and see her video and subscribe and follow her on IG and everywhere else. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.